Hello everyone, and welcome to our English idiom lesson today, where we will explore the meaning of bounce back. Imagine a student named Sarah who has just failed a very important English exam. She feels really discouraged and starts to doubt her ability to learn English. This feeling of disappointment is something many beginner English learners can relate to, right? Today, we'll learn an idiom that describes the ability to recover from setbacks like Sarah's exam failure. Bounce back. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively and express resilience in English. Now, let's hear a funny story about a tourist named Ken who misunderstood bounce back literally. Ken was at a basketball game in the United States and heard the announcer say, "He'll bounce back." Ken, thinking literally, expected the player to physically bounce off the ground after falling, which, of course, didn't happen. So, what does bounce back really mean? It means to recover quickly from a setback, an illness, or a difficult situation. It implies resilience and the ability to return to a normal state after facing adversity. It's not about physically bouncing, but about overcoming challenges and regaining confidence. While the exact origin is unclear, the combination of bounce and back likely emerged as a vivid way to describe recovery. Let's see how Emily, a small business owner, demonstrates the correct usage of bounce back. Emily lost a major client, which was a big setback for her business. Instead of giving up, she analyzed what went wrong, adjusted her strategy, and actively sought new clients. Through her actions, Emily clearly bounced back by learning from the experience and working towards success. Here are some example sentences using bounce back. First, after losing the game, the team showed their resilience and bounced back to win the championship. This means they recovered from a loss and achieved success. Second, the economy is expected to bounce back after the recession. This explains that the economy will recover from a downturn. Third, she bounced back quickly after her surgery and was back to work within a few weeks. This means she recovered from an illness. To help you remember, think of a rubber ball. When it hits the ground, it doesn't stay down. It bounces right back up. So remember this mnemonic device: setbacks happen, but resilience helps you bounce back. Let's explore some fun facts about bounce back. The phrase gained popularity in the 20th century, reflecting a growing emphasis on resilience and positive thinking. Bounce back reflects the American cultural value of perseverance and the ability to overcome obstacles. Big Sean's song Bounce Back popularized the idiom in hip-hop culture, using it to represent overcoming losses. Initially used in physical contexts, its meaning evolved to include emotional, economic, and professional recovery. Now, let's look at some related sayings. Similar idioms include get back on your feet, meaning to recover from illness or difficulty. Also, turn the corner, which means to improve after a difficult period. And pull through, meaning to survive a serious illness or difficulty. Opposite idioms include give up, meaning to stop trying. Also, lose heart, which means to become discouraged. And throw in the towel, meaning to quit. Related idioms are resilient, meaning able to recover quickly from difficult conditions. Also, come back, which is a return to success. And rebound, meaning to recover in value or strength. Let's discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them. A common grammatical mistake is using bounce back as a noun. The correct usage is, she has the ability to bounce back. It is incorrect to say, she is a bounce back person. Another mistake is confusing bounce back with simply avoiding problems. The correct understanding is, he faced the challenge and bounced back stronger. It is incorrect to say, he bounced back by ignoring the problem. Finally, avoid using bounce back in inappropriate, overly formal, or serious contexts. For example, in a eulogy, saying he bounced back from death would be inappropriate. Now, it's time for a quick quiz to test your understanding. What does bounce back mean? Choice A, to literally jump back. Choice B, to recover from a setback. Choice C, to avoid problems. Take a moment to think about your answer.
The correct answer is B, to recover from a setback.
Great job! Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Bounce back means to recover from setbacks, showing resilience, learning from mistakes, and regaining confidence. Understanding this idiom improves your communication skills by allowing you to express your ability to overcome challenges. Now it's your turn. Share your experiences with bouncing back in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.